Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to recognize a bullish and a bearish trend. So first of all, what is a bullish trend? A bullish trend is a trend that in which a stock moves in the upward direction. It is usually known as an uptrend. And a bearish trend is a trend in which the stocks move in a downward direction. It is also known as a downtrend. And there is one more other than that. It is also known, the name of that is a side trend in which the market trades in a sideways pattern. So that is known as a side trend. So how to recognize all three of them in a stock by reading its chart. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly that. So let's get started. As you can see, this is a clear-cut downtrend. Let me draw a trend line. Whenever you are drawing a downtrend, whenever you see a downtrend and you are drawing a line that is in downward direction, always do it on top of the market, on top of the candlestick. When the market is going in the downward direction, always draw a trend line that is in the downward direction, like I have drawn. So as you can see, it touched the market here at one. Wait, let me make it a bit. So whenever the market is in this type of direction, always draw a line that is in the downward direction. As you can see, it touched the line at 1 2 and 3. Sorry, you will count from here. 1 2 3 and 4 at 4 different levels. Whenever a stock is trading like in the downward direction and it touches a trend line at more than 2 lines, it means that it is a downtrend. The opposite is for an uptrend. So for an uptrend, I'm going to show you how to draw. This is the one method of recognizing a downtrend. Now this is the first method for recognizing an uptrend. So as you can see, it touched this trend line at 1 2 3 4 at 4 different points. Now to recognize a side trend, recognize a side trend in an uptrend or downtrend. It is very easy to recognize both of them because let's take this as an example. It is the market trading in an upward direction in an uptrend. So whenever the market breaks this trend line and trades in the side trend, so it means that it is a sideways pattern. The other way to recognize a side trend is when it forms two tops or two bottoms. In this case, it forms support and resistance level. So it also means that it is a side trend. The market is trading in a sideways pattern. So these are some of the three ways to recognize an uptrend or a downtrend and a side trend. For an uptrend, you will have to draw this trend line beneath the candlesticks, and for a downtrend, you will have to draw the trend line above the candlesticks, such that it touches the candlesticks or the bodies. Sorry, the candlestick body and the wick of the candlesticks. It is shows that. Now, if I unscroll it, as you can see, this is a stock of GameStop Corporation. So recently it is trading very high, from $16 up till how much? Up till 481.99. So it rose this much, and there was quite a steady rise in this stock. So now, as you can see, that these are some of the methods for recognizing downtrend, a side trend. Now when to enter into the market when it is at, we will take this place when it is at its lowest level, and you don't know how to recognize that. Plot your, so first of all plot your moving average, then parabolic SAR. You can also do this by recognizing support and resistance level. So in this case, this area is the resistance level. Sorry about that. This area is acts as a resistance level. So as it broke this trend line, it means that this stock will move in an upward direction. So because it is too late, so as you can see, it is too late to take profits, as the market is now trading in a downtrend at this area. So how to enter from this level? To enter from this level, you'll have to recognize this moving average, and you'll also have to learn the psychology of the candlesticks. As you can see at this level, the wick at the bottom, this one right here, as you can see, it formed the wick above and below the candlestick body. So it means it is also known as a doji star or something when it appears at the bottom and it is also green. So it means that the market will be bullish from this area onwards. And whenever it occurs at the top and it is red, it means that the market will be trading in a downward direction. This sign shows that there is a fight between the bulls and the bears. At this level, the bulls are now ready to long their position, and the bears are now exhausted at this level. This sign usually means these two things at this level. So you can enter the market from this level, but it would be better to wait for a candlestick or two to show you, to give you more data of where the market is heading. So from here you can enter the market, and as you can see, you can also see from the moving average, it is also moving in upward direction. So these two areas are a great sign to recognize a bullish trend. Now you can see this area also acts as a resistance level. Whenever it broke this trend line, it is now trading in the upward direction. So these are two things that you will have to consider while you want to long your position. Now the opposite is for the downtrend. When that type of candle body occurs, so you will have to long your position. Now let's take a look at this area. You can see a long wick is formed above the candlestick body. So it means that the buyers push the market upwards, but at this level the sellers jumped right in. So the bulls were now exhausted at this level, so the sellers jumped right in and they pushed the prices down and further down. So it turned into a downtrend. So as a major breakaway. So it is now trading in a downward direction. You can also enter into the market by using the Ichimoku cloud. I also use the Ichimoku cloud at the parabolic SAR. At these areas, whenever the candlesticks are trading below this cloud, so you will have to long your position. Whenever they crosses above this cloud, cross above the trading above the cloud or crosses the cloud, so it means that the market is now moving in an upward direction. Never enter into the market when the candlesticks are trading in this cloud. The cloud means that the market the cloud shows the investors indecision. So at this level, try to not enter the market. Now you can see as the candlesticks are trading above the cloud, it means that the market is moving in the upward direction. Also you will have to keep an eye out on this the Tenkan Sen. So when the Tenkan Sen is trading straight, it means that the market is still position, so it is not moving in the upward direction. When the blue line crosses above the red line, it means that the market is moving in the upward direction. I've also made a detailed video about the Ichimoku cloud. I'm just showing to you. So when the blue line crosses above the red line, enter at that level, and the trend will go upward. So and you can also see that it is trading above the cloud, so it means that the market is moving in the upward direction. This was about Ichimoku clown. If you want to take a detail, you want to